ये ऐसे थोड़ी अब पुराने मुर्दे उखाड़ रहे हैं, पुराने रिकॉर्ड कहाँ से रखेंगे ये?
Corporation is in.
हाउ मेनी राउंड्स ऑफ लिटिगेशन? एक बार हो गया आपका सेटल?
Because they have issued the check of the CPF, my lord.
तो वो ले लीजिए, आप बी हैप्पी विद दैट.
But the interest on that CPF amount, my lord, as per
चलिए फॉरगेट. डोंट बी सो ग्रीडी. उसमें 80 90 इयर्स की एज में भी आपको you want everything. Now everything is settled in your life. Your children must have been placed well.
Yes,
and don't want to leave single penny with the corporation or housing board which
but my lord,
gave you so much.
if it was his right, my lord, but
चलिए
not-
limited time to decide the cases of those persons who are out of employment and not getting anything. You must be getting anything. Don't further waste time.
But my lord, the findings are
Want
in
to
my
click
provident
it.
fund, my lord. Today, my lord, I prepared a counter to get my lord. This check is not acceptable to the petitioner, my lord, by which they have offered rupees 6,775, my lord. By calculating the contributed provident fund, as per the calculation sheet, page number 5 of their
एक मिनट, अभी क्या आपको क्या इन्होंने हैंड ओवर किया?
check, my lord, a check of 6,775 rupees.
हाँ.
As per page 5 of their additional reply, they have calculated the amount of CPF, my lord.
10% है.
10%.
Why 10%?
वो 10% डिडक्ट होता है।
अच्छा 10% है.
10%.
और 10% हमारा कंट्रीब्यूशन और 10% इनका डिडक्शन था,
हाँ.
वो करके दिया। तो क्योंकि केवल भाई तो 50 साल पुरानी तो अवेलेबल नहीं हुई से, तो आई मेड द स्टेटमेंट बिफोर माय लॉर्ड दैट 10% would be calculated from the date of from the salary which he drawn in 62.
हाँ.
तो वो पूरा कैलकुलेशन करके आपके सामने रखा है।
My lord, my humble submission, I am filing additional rejoinder affidavit, my lord. Because admittedly petitioner completed more than 10 years of services in regular establishments. Therefore, he is entitled for the pension of those.
पेंशन नहीं, आपका 12,562 to 25,1273 से मांग रहे हैं and 89 to 92. और रिटायर कब हुए?
92, my lord, retired from housing board.
हाँ.
So from 89 to 92, my lord, that is.
अभी इतना पुराना रिकॉर्ड कहाँ से लाएंगे भाई?
हमारा यहाँ का तो 73 तक का ही था सर।
73
तक का ये इनका कहना अलग है सर कि हम 10 साल वहाँ जो काम किया उसकी पेंशन आप अलग दो और हमसे बोर्ड से जो अलग पेंशन मिलेगी वो अलग दो। तो दैट पॉइंट वाज ऑलरेडी कंसीडर्ड बाय द डिवीजन बेंच एंड माय लॉर्ड इज आल्सो ऑफ द ओपिनियन दैट यू आर रिटायर्ड ओनली बाय द सीपीएफ अमाउंट एंड द डिवीजन बेंच dismissed the writ appeal. Not only this, they again filed the review against the division bench order saying that it may be observed that my lien was in corporation. So division bench के सुनो, you have already left the corporation and they
आर्ग्यू फाइनल. बताइए क्या मैटर? ये ऐसे थोड़ी अब पुराने मुर्दे उखाड़ रहे हैं, पुराने रिकॉर्ड कहाँ से रखेंगे ये?
the finding against the corporation is in.
हाउ मेनी राउंड्स ऑफ लिटिगेशन? एक बार हो गया आपका सेटल?
But my lord, this finding is.
बताइए क्या मैटर? व्हाट इज योर क्लेम एंड आर्ग्यूड फाइनल?
My lord.
5 years में
My lord,
used to be more greedy.
no, my lord,
हाँ.
because this is their entitlement and now.
हाँ,
they-
बताइए क्या entitlement?
they-
What is your claim and what is
Even, my lord, now they accepted that.
कहाँ? Where is the earlier judgment passed in your case?
Yes, my lord, the
2009 में लगाया था आपने ये?
earlier order.
बिहारी लाल
Annexure P10, yes, my lord.
P10. हाँ.
P10 is the order.
Issues of approved direction to respondent to include the past services. तो claim कर चुके हैं आप?
Yes, my lord.
तो फिर?
The honorable writ court passed the order in my favor. Directing the housing board to calculate the previous tenure also. Then by the petitioner at Indore Municipal Corporation. Challenging which, my lord, the only housing board preferred the writ appeal, my lord.
The Indore Municipal Council is directed to remit the entire amount deducted from the salary of the petitioner along with the interest for the period 62 to 73. अब इसमें आपने 89 वाला भी जोड़ दिया पीरियड.
62 to 73 की मैंने बात 62 to 73 जो इंदौर म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन में मेरी सर्विस
12/5/19
62 to 25/12/1973.
62 से 63 तक हमारी अब थे वो दे दिया।
वो अभी आपने आफ्टर द डायरेक्शन ऑफ दिस कोर्ट माला दी है एडिशनल रिप्लाई से आपने सीपीएफ इवन मतलब यदि द पिटिशनर इज
ठीक है. इसके बाद क्या हुआ है?
मतलब द रिट अपील वाज फाइल्ड बाय द हाउसिंग बोर्ड माला. Corporation has not challenged this order, my lord. And in writ appeal, my lord, writ appeal of the corporation was allowed, my lord. Sorry, the housing board was allowed, my lord. And the order was set aside for housing board with the finding that for the services rendered at municipal corporation, housing board is not liable to pay the pension.
ठीक है,
So the finding against the corporation remained.
वो भी गई, that has also gone.
But मतलब
क्योंकि वो सर्विस आपकी नॉन पेंशनेबल है ना.
that is pensionable service as per rule of the pension rules of 1980 of the corporation.
For the aforementioned, we are of the view the impugn order passed by the is liable to be set aside. ये तो set aside हो गया. Next, इसके बाद
It was set. Then review petition was filed by the petitioner Malad. That has been dismissed Malad. In para 8 Malad, it was mentioned that the lien was not with the corporation. So relying on this para Malad, the
अब ये बताइए, अब ये इस इतने से पीरियड की आपकी कहाँ से पेंशनेबल सर्विस होगी? 1962 to 73.
73 Malad, it is
Under which provision?
11 years and 5 months Malad, more than 10 years services are there, and it is a regular establishment. I, along with rejoinder Malad, because they in reply they denied this fact also that I was on regular establishment. So in rejoinder I filed the document that I was in regular establishment. Malad.
किस पोस्ट से रिटायर हुए?
Yeah, housing board से हुए थे, sir.
अरे पोस्ट क्या है? हैं?
Executive senior executive engineer.
अरे हो गया, चलिए एग्जीक्यूटिव इंजीनियर 88 years. Forget it.
Malad now
You have survived 88 years.
Malad now he is 90-year-old, but my humble submission, Malad.
चलिए.
My one more submission, Malad. One more submission.
हाँ.
Because they have issued the check of the CPF, Malad.
तो वो ले लीजिए, आप be happy with that.
But the interest on that CPF amount, Malad, as per
चलिए, forget. लिखिए.
Malad,
Petitioner has filed this present
Malad,
petition seeking following relief.
Malad, Rule 12 specifically provide for the interest, Malad, as per the applicable government rate. So they have to pay the interest also.
Don't
They
be
have
so greedy. Mr. 80, 90 years की एज में भी आपको you want everything. And now everything is settled in your life. Your children must have been placed well,
Yes,
and don't want to leave single penny with the corporation or housing board which
but Malad,
gave you so much.
it was his right, Malad, but
Chaliye, लिखिए.
not paid at the right time. My humble
There has to be some end to the litigation, Mr.
So, Malad, I will accept.
We have
I will accept the check of the CPF. but-
limited time to decide the cases of those persons who are out of employment and not getting anything. You must be getting anything. Don't further waste time.
But Malad, the findings are in my.
लिखिए,
favor.
petitioner has filed this present
Malad,
petition
my
seeking
signature-
following relief.
The,
Sorry,
the,
the end of
interest
it.
with respect to.
Mr. Now, when I've said so,
I'm sorry.
don't interrupt.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Continuous आप बोले ही जा रहे हैं, हम ऑर्डर डिक्टेट कर रहे हैं.
I'm sorry.
I've heard you now.